This is our lovely ring neck. That is the female. And that is the male. Now he's on the moment when he's changing his feathers. As you can see, I'm trying to make it close, you see? His head is having new feathers coming out, which needs to be peeled out. Those white things, as you can see on his face. Slowly, slowly they will open. And you will see his new feathers. He's so gorgeous, boy. They are wild. Oh, he's going from one side to another one. Come on, stay one place. Say hi to the people. That's the yellow with the red eyes. Albinos. Hello, darling. You are a lovely boy. Keep still. If you want, I can show it to you closer, how it looks like. Let me just get him. Those ones comes out. It's okay, boy. As you can see, I have so many of them on my fingers now. So slowly, slowly he will change his hair up and he will become a beautiful boy. It's okay. Oh, poor boy. Poor boy. Yes. But you are a beautiful boy. Sweetheart. There we have the rosellas. That's the girl. And that's the boy. As you can see, the colors of them is much more brighter. The boy. The girl, she don't have so much bright color on her. Lovely colors of the rainbow. I love it.